So, okay, we pick up where we left off. So this is the intestinal tracts, and before we go over the parts of the intestinal tracts, you have to know the outer section. So we're gonna start with this yellow. This is supposed to be yellow, but I don't know what happened to the color. Guess it degraded over time. This is called the greater omentum, and then the yellow pigment that you see here is because of the color is infused with fats, adipose tissue. There you go. And then usually you would see yellow little spots right here, but apparently this model doesn't have it. Those yellow spots are called the mesentery. And it's also composed of adipose tissue or fats, lipids, same thing. Okay, so we're gonna keep going. Now we're gonna use this one. So, okay, so we're gonna start to my left. This part in general is called the ascending colon. And then from here to here is called the jejunum, and then this lower portion is called the ileum. So it's safe to say that the upper part is called the jejunum and the lower part is called the ileum. And then if this is the ascending colon, obviously this would be the descending colon. And then after that you have the colic valve. This is the colic valve. And then you have the cecum right here. And then this would be your appendix, or your appendix vermiformis. That's the scientific name. And then after that, okay, so there's actually two models of these, but we're gonna start with this one. So these, okay, like from here to here, this in general is called the haustra. And then after that, the haustra is actually composed of these two lines. Also has a name. It's called plicae semilunaris. And then after the plicae semilunaris, you have this line right here. It's called the tinea coli. And then this whole thing is called the transverse colon. So did you get that? So this, again, this thing in the middle is called the haustra. And then what separates it, from the other haustras are called the plicae semilunaris. And then this would be the tinea coli. And then the whole thing is called the transverse colon. Okay. There's another model of this, but I'm pretty sure, you can apply what you learn from here to there. So I'm not worried. So now we're gonna go below. So from here all the way up here, from here all the way up down here, it's called the rectum. And then from here all the way down here is your anal canal. That's where stuff goes out, excretion. And after that, now we need this model. You can cut that now. Well, I'll do a part 3 now. That's part 2, okay? I'm gonna get this model.